Welcome to Activity 46. In this activity, we're going to be looking at the whole of 20 and how this can be partitioned into two parts. One of the parts will be a 10 plus part, for example 16, and the other part would build to make 20 would be 4. So 16 and 4 is 20. We're also going to be looking at how we can swap these parts around to create a different two-part bond of 20. We could say 20 is also equal to the two parts of 14 and 6. To complete this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 10. They need to be in a jumbled pile. The first thing we're going to do is fill the board with our blocks. We're going to work across in rows. So as my brain is thinking about the bonds to 10, what joins with 1? 9. What joins with 2? 8. I'm not going to fill down because that would be counting. And this activity is all about bonds to 10 and 20. I'll pause the video and fill in my wall, and you can do the same. The next thing we're going to do is say each two-part bond of 20. I'm going to go first and watch that what I say matches what I touch. 10 and 10 is 20. 11 and 9 is 20. 12 and 8 is 20. 13 and 7 is 20. 14 and 6 is 20. 15 and 5 is 20. 16 and 4 is 20. 17 and 3 is 20, 18 and 2 is 20, 19 and 1 is 20. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat what I just did. We can repeat that activity of touching and saying the bonds, but make it a little more difficult. You can remove some of the blocks and then practice saying them. 12 and 8 is 20. 14 and 6 is 20. 17 and 3 is 20. 18 and 2 is 20. I would replace these parts and take away different parts. Another way to help me develop fluency would be, instead of taking away the parts on this side, I could take away some of these parts. For example, and again touch and say, 13 and 7 is 20. 16 and 4 is 20. 19 and 1 is 20. You can pause the video and have a go at this yourself. The final thing we're going to do on this board is swap the position of the parts within each row. So I'll swap the 1 and the 9 and swap the 2 and the 8. Now that I've swapped all of the positions of the parts within each row, I'm going to repeat saying the two-part bonds, touching the matching parts as I say them. 10 and 10 is 20. 19 and 1 is 20. 18 and 2 is 20. Now I can remove different blocks and repeat like we did earlier. 17 and 3 is 20, 15 and 5 is 20, 12 and 8 is 20. You could also remove blocks from this side and do what I just did. Or you could remove random blocks from differing sides. And this could be a little bit more difficult. Right. I have to look and think. 18 and 2 is 20. 16 and 4 is 20. 13 and 7 is 20. 11 and 9 is 20. If I'm not sure, I can always put the block back to check. If you want, you can play with a partner. They can remove 4 blocks and hide them from you, and then you can say them. As you say the answer, such as 18 and 2 is 20, they can return the block and check your answer.